Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So I'm here with the Kroger ad preview for, it's only going to be 5 days. It'll be Friday, Black Friday, November 24th through December 3rd, which is a Tuesday. So it's a shorter sale, and it's definitely reflected in this ad. It is a lot shorter. However, there's a really good 3-day sale, which I'm super excited about. It's a really, really good sale. So we're just going to dive right in. I'm actually really excited for this one. All right. It's pretty much, a lot of it is repeats of the sales that are going now. So like the Kroger spend 15, save 5 is still going. The buy 4, save 4 is actually still going as well. So it's pretty much just a bunch of repeat stuff with the exception of the 3-day sale, which is really great. And so keep in mind, this video the deal, since it doesn't start till Friday, there will not be a Kroger video this Wednesday. Instead, it will actually just be on Black Friday. So keep that in mind. So we got $1.09 a pound for the pork back ribs or the ground beef. 97 cents a pound for grapes is awesome. $5.77 a pound for T-bone steaks, and then 69 cents for the avocados. And they have buy 2, get 1 free on all coffee. That could be a good deal. Let me go in there on Friday and play around with it and see what deals that we can get. 5 for 10 on some Pepsi stuff, and then free. Now, like I said, these are just repeats of this week. To spend 15, save 5. I'm just going to hover over them really quick for you guys to see. Essentially, it's like getting 33% off 15, or 5 divided by 15 is 33%. So if you think of it that way, okay. Legit same prices, nothing different. So you can walk in there today and get that if you wanted. Yeah. All right, and let's check out 3-day sale. Got some good stuff. So the Lay's are $1.49 with the 5X digital. That's awesome. 99 cents for the sugar and the peanut butter. Awesome price. And then the Bisco's 99 cents. We also have quoted Northern Angel Soft, $3.99. That's a great deal. We got manufacturer coupons in the 11.18 Retail Me Not. So that's an epic price. And thank you to Zugu Mugu on YouTube. And he DM'd me on Instagram about this DiGiorno. Now, he didn't know they were going to be on sale this week, but he messaged me about a manufacturer digital coupon. So this is an epic deal. They are $2.99, and there's a 5 off 3 manufacturer digital coupon that will come off because they're manufacturer digital. So you can get these DiGiornos for $1.33 a pizza. Oh my gosh, that's such a great deal for DiGiornos. Thank you so much to him for alerting me to that. That's a great deal. So $2.99 with the 5X digital coupon. You can use a manufacturer coupon with it. So load both, the 5 off 3 and then the coupon that makes it $2.99. And you will get these basically $1.33 each, which is an awesome deal. $4 for 3 pizzas. Kroger sausage, $1.49. And then some fried chicken down there for $4.99. And Simple Truth walnuts for $3.99. And some Gerber baby food for 69 cents. Okay, so let's go through the rest of this. I'm not too excited about anything else, to be honest with you. But good 3-day sale. I didn't expect much. I really didn't. Because it's a 5-day. What's this? A meal deal. Never heard of Kroger doing a meal deal before. So you can get a $10 rotisserie chicken, bag salad, mashed potatoes, and a thing of baguette. That's a little weird. All right, and then they have the buy 4, save 4 thing. We are getting coupons for this stuff in the P&G. Personally, I don't think most of it's a good deal. Remember the pledge, that is a part of the Thanks Gathering. But the Crest toothpaste is $1.99. We're getting a $2 coupon in tomorrow's P&G. So you can get the Crest for free, and the mouthwash, we're getting $1 coupons. So you can do that. And they're really $5 for sleep pants. That's a great price. Good deal. Lots of half off stuff. That's probably, I think that's the cheapest I've seen the sleep pants anywhere. So that's a really great deal. Maybe I'll have to, that's Black Friday. Keep in mind, if you have a Kroger Marketplace, they will be having a Black Friday sale. So they have lots of really good deals. So if you haven't seen the app review for that, go check that out. 20% off of some Christmas trees, it looks like. Outdoor floral. My store had a bunch of these. And some dolls. So that is the Kroger ad. It's definitely slow, except the 3-day sale is really hot, but everything else is kind of slow. But come back next Friday, not Wednesday. I know it's so weird. Come back Friday, and we'll have I'll have a video up of the best deals I can find. You never know what rebates or coupons will pop up. So that's all I have, and thank you guys for watching.